you're going to do is gently put the needle in. You're not going to force it in there. You're just going to be very gentle. You're going to put the needle here. Then the next pack, the next bag in the collection pack is called CP2. You're going to lay that on top of the needle. Then the next pack is CLX and CLX. And then those will be upside down like that. Or you can just write them like this. Don't worry about all of the tubing. We can put that in. So, here we are with AS3. So, I want you to write this down. Purple is a little poem. It's a silly poem, but it helps. Purple in the grommets. And grommet is spelled G-R-O-M-M-E-T. I'll show you what a grommet is. White on the right. Red is left. And this is a silly part. What a delight. But it works. So when you're working and you think, I don't remember what's next, you say purple in the grommets, white on the right, red is left. Okay, so where do I put purple? In the grommets. These are called grommets. The little things on the side. Okay. There are two purples. There's a long equals left, or long left. The long one, purple, goes on the left. So long purple on left. Now, this little purple has to just be difficult. So it's the only one that's going to be by itself. Okay. The long one goes on the left. You're going to take this rubber band and just thread it through just like if it was one piece. Put it in your finger and take this little one and put it here. Okay? Then you're going to take the long purple one and put it on the left. Good. So there's your purple ones. Okay, where do the white ones go? Read your poem. Okay, they go on the right. So one of them we're going to put in the ground because it's empty. Right. And now we're going to take the other one and we're going to band them together like this. Now this is a gel separator in the bottom of the tube. And what you want to do is sort of check that gel separator to make sure that it looks like this, that it's not cracked or doesn't look odd. If something looks odd to you after a while, it probably won't be right away. You ask. You always ask who? You always ask the nurse. Okay, so here's our white ones and our purple ones. So where do the red ones go? Where do they go? They go left. Just like your poem. So you just lay them down, take your rubber band, and of course everything you're going to use at the drive is going to be pristine and new, which is beautiful. We all use like this. Okay, and there you go. Okay? So it's all ready to go. You can just put it down here at the back. Make sure that filter is on top of AS3. Lay it like this. Make sure your needle is here. So let's go through all of the sequence. No, don't do it yet. Okay. CP2 is on top. You see it? Okay, we're going to do this together. Your needle in the guard is second. CXL. Now sometimes you can have two CXL bags, sometimes one, and sometimes they stick together, so make sure that you fold them apart. Then your filter, and then your AS3 bag. And then you tuck in your tubing, which we're going to do in a minute, take your rubber band, and put it on at the bottom. Now, there are tags that go on this, but I don't put them on until the numbering is done. And the reason I do that is because I don't want it to get tangled up in the tubing. But this is what it will look like. So let's do this. Let's start and do this together. I'm going to take all my tubes out and all my rubber bands out.